Okay, if this ever happened to you when you're trying to lower your garage and it hits the bottom and it comes right back up, let me tell you what the problem is. The problem is your travel limits have got out of whack. And this can happen. I don't know why mine's happened, but it did. So I'm gonna show you how to set your travel limits. First, you wanna locate your black and purple buttons. The purple is the learn, and then you have your black. So hold the black button in for about 5 seconds until the light start flashing. You see that yellow light start flashing. Once it start flashing, you can hit that black button again. This will set your up. So you can toggle it up until you get to the level you want. As you can see, I'm pushing mine back and forth. Just keep pushing the black. Once you got it set where you want to make sure it's all the way up to where it's not hanging over and your vehicle don't hit it. Once you're satisfied with that, you want to hit your garage door opener button to start lowering it. Then immediately you want to push one of those buttons, the purple or the black, and that stops it. So now you got your up limit set. So now we're going to do the down limit. So now to do the down, you want to push the purple button. You can push it and hold it. If you keep holding it, it's going to keep going down. So you could toggle it into the position you want it. Once you're satisfied, and if you think you went too far, you can always hit the black button to bring it up a little bit. As you can see what I'm doing right here. I'm pushing it and to bring it up because I went down too far. Okay, once you got it at your desired limit, you want to go down there and make sure everything's fine. Make sure it's closed all the way. You don't have too much pressure on it. Once that is done, you just hit your control button, remote control, and bring it up. And after that, you're really done. So what you want to do is just make sure your limits are right. It went all the way up. As you can see, that's perfect. See, I'm checking mine, make sure everything's okay on the up limits. Now I'm gonna push it again and we're gonna go down. And you remember before when I hit the down, it came right back up. So now since I set the limits, everything's fine. As you can see, it's gonna stop in place. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.